How you are liking so far here?
I'm loving this trail. It has a beautiful mixture of the sun trailing on us through these beautiful branches of these so tall trees.
And
It's
very
very peaceful
peaceful.
and serene. And if you listen carefully, you can also listen to the little ripples created by the waterfall. It's so soothing and so
Soothing,
pleasant.
right? Pleasant. You can hear the sound of waterfalls. The beauty of nature around us. And the place is so beautiful. It's not too sunny and not so cold, windy. Very nice.
Look at the arch being made by the trees
Yep.
all along the walk. It's so nice.
We are going close to the waterfall, right?
Yes.
So the sound is now very close. See, here it is water. Wow, such a beautiful. See, look at here.